Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording and it is because I'd like to show you visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear. So in order to reset the settings for the whole camera, we have to enter the settings themselves, which are under this 3 bars icon in the left upper corner. So let's tap on it and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to tap on reset settings. Now let's confirm it. Tap on OK, and as you can see we will be automatically transferred to the camera, and as you can see, or actually basically you cannot see the grid lines, and it simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings, so it will work the same with, for example, the timer and the ratio and other options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.